Hey guys, got another custom we're going to be doing today, and it's going to be a woody wagon. Good old woody wagon. I can imagine you guys already know what color it's going to be. Let's get started. Okay, we got it drilled apart. Surfboard's on top, just unsnapped, came right off. Base. There's the base. Cover. Windshield. Interior. Engine. And the body. We're going to go ahead and strip this and put it in the paint shop and be right back. We got it out of the paint shop. Looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put it back together. Be right back. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Please subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to click the little bell. Appreciate any comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video. And we'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day.